Hi 10th, welcome to your social science guide channel. Today from your geography first chapter resource and development I will be covering a topic which is called a soil as a resource. So to explain soil as a resource there are these following features which are bit easy to understand, but you may feel more easy to understand by my video. Okay, so the first feature of this resource is that it is an important renewable resource. Important renewable resource. What is renewable resource? That it can be replenished or reproduced by the chemical, physical and the mechanical processes. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज कि हम जो भी क्रॉप यूज़ करते हैं या जो हम जो भी क्रॉप खाते हैं वो सब हमें कहाँ से प्रोवाइड होता है? सॉइल से प्रोवाइड होता है. The second feature is living system. It is a living system because of these two features. The first feature is the maintains the plant growth. The second is the supports the various living organisms. It supports the plant growth through the process of photosynthesis. The soil plays an important role in the process of photosynthesis which helps in the growth of the plant. Now supports the various living organism. Yes, it supports the various living organism because it supports the decomposer which find a lot of type of plant and the animal material in it, and it also supports the human because while growing different types of crops it supports the human being as it gives them edible crops also and non-edible crops also. So these two features of the soil makes it a living system. Now the fifth is millions of years to form soil, few centimeters in depth. Yes, it takes longer time to be a good soil as it is said कि जितनी डीपर में सॉइल होगी वो उतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी की सॉइल होगी. तो ये अच्छी क्वालिटी की सॉइल होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगाती है, मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स लगाती है. So the feature of the soil as a resource are important renewable resource, living system, maintains the plant growth, supports various living organisms and millions of years to form the soil few centimeters in depth. Now we will talk about the factors which leads to the soil formation. These are the features of soil formation. Now we will move to the factors of the soil formation. Now the factors of the soil formation are also very important for you to understand because this question comes a lot and there are many terms in your book which you are not able to understand very easily. So let me make it easy for you. So the factors of soil formation are: number one, it is the relief. What is relief? It is the elevation of the soil. Elevation of the soil, that is it is the distance above the sea. मतलब कि पानी के कितने करीब है सॉइल या पानी के कितने दूर है सॉइल, which is that we call relief. Basically relief is the elevation. Elevation is the place where the soil is located. The second thing that influences the soil formation is its parent rock. What is parent rock? Parent rock is the original rock from which the soil has been formed. The third is the bedrock. Bedrock is the inner part of the soil, the deeper part of the soil, that how type of kankad patthar or the silt or sand, the quality of the silt or sand containing by the soil, it comes under the bedrock. Now the fourth factor of the soil formation is the vegetation. Now vegetation includes the animals and the plants. कि which type of plants are grown in the which type of soil or which type of decomposers or animals are found in the type of the soil. All these come under the vegetation. After vegetation in your book you will see living organisms. So I am not writing the living organism as a factor as it comes under the vegetation. Next, the fifth factor is the the fifth factor is the action of the natural forces. Action of the natural forces. Now action of the natural forces involves first the change in temperature. The temperature influences the soil very much, the type of soil very much, the temperature. Then in the natural forces, the second thing we have the flow of water, wind and glacier. So all these come under the action of the natural forces. First is the change in temperature, as temperature affects the soil formation a lot. And the second thing is flow of the water, wind and glacier. कि wind का flow कैसा है, water का flow कैसा है, and glacier जब पिघलता है तो उसके पानी से कैसी soil बनती है. All these are the factors which affects the formation of the soil. And the sixth factor is the action of the decomposers. Action or activity of the decomposer. What are decomposers? Decomposers are type of the bacteria, fungi or the insect which feed upon the soil to feed on the plants and the animals material and to break it down into the smaller particles or the substances. So these are the factors which affects the soil formation. There is also one factor which affects the soil formation is the seventh. The seventh factor which affects the soil formation is chemical and organic processes. Now, chemical processes involve the influence of the climate on the soil, and the organic processes is the dead decaying plants and animals part, which will be called humus. So the chemical, the climate process, the climate of a particular region also affects the soil. And in organic we include the humus, the type of dead and decaying plants and animals found in the soil. So all these are the factors which affects the soil formation of an area. You can copy it. I think it is clear to you. Next thing which we have to understand is that it is a simple statement that the soil contains, you can add this in the features, organic, which is humus, and inorganic, which is rock. So the soil contains organic material as well as the inorganic material. The organic material is the humus and the inorganic material is the part of the rock. So these both are called organic and inorganic materials. So you can add this in the features. Now let's move कि जो soil की formation है वो क्या क्या किस किस चीज पे इफेक्ट करती है. मतलब कि अगर हम सॉइल की फॉर्मेशन की बात करें तो सॉइल की फॉर्मेशन क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं. सो सॉइल की फॉर्मेशन में सॉइल फॉर्मेशन कंटेन्स फर्स्ट there in the soil formation is the formation of the soil. कि सॉइल की फॉर्मेशन कैसी है, सॉइल बनी कैसे है. सेकंड इज द कलर, कि कलर कैसा है सॉइल का. थर्ड इज द एज. फोर्थ इज द थिकनेस. फिफ्थ इज द टेक्सचर. सिक्स्थ, ऑल दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन. कि फैक्टर्स जो है वो क्या क्या अफेक्ट करते हैं, किस किस चीज पे अफेक्ट करते हैं. These are the formation and the chemical and other chemical and physical properties. All these factors which we have talked earlier, all these affect these factors of the soil. अगर हमें soil को identify करना है, we will be able to identify the soil through these factors only. जो हमने इससे पहले factors पढ़े वो factors इनकी formation में help करते हैं. And these formations and these factors help to identify that which type of soil we are talking about. Now, if I talk about the formation, what is formation? Formation is the that how the parent rock, how the bedrock, how the topography, which is the physical features of anything, interact with each other, how they interact with each other, and how they result in the type of the soil. Now the color means कि red है, yellow है, black है. Age is determined by the weathering of the rock. The weathering of the rock means that how the rock has broken down. So this broken down of the rock determines the age of the soil. Next we have thickness. In the thickness we will talk about that कि सॉइल जो है उसका वो कैसे है, लोमी सॉइल है, सिल्टी सॉइल है, कैसी सॉइल है, मींस कि थिक सॉइल है या कैसी सॉइल है, which we determine by the top layer of the soil. So the thickness of the soil is determined by the top layer of the soil. And the texture means कि इसमें silt है, clay है, sand है, so all these come under the texture. Now chemical and physical properties, meaning all these properties will come in the chemical and the physical properties. So I think it is clear to you. Let's revise कि फटाफट हमने क्या किया, and we have to focus on some of the most important definitions and the terms which are used in this video, which you will not be able to understand easily. So you need a very good vocabulary for that. So let me explain. Okay, सबसे पहले we have talked about the features of the soil. In the features of the soil, I taught you first thing that soil is the very important renewable resource. The second thing I taught that it is a living system. लिविंग सिस्टम है तो इसका मतलब ये दो चीजें करता है, दो फंक्शंस करता है, which are the features of the soil as well. The first is that it maintains the plant growth through the process of photosynthesis, and the second thing is that it supports the many types of living organisms by providing the crops and the decomposes the dead material of plant and animal. And the next feature we have talked about the soil is that कि the soil takes millions of the year to be a perfect soil from within, from depth. So this is the important feature. And the next thing I taught about the soil feature is that it contains both the organic and the inorganic material. The inorganic material is the rock and the organic material is the humus. So these are the features of the soil. Next I taught about the factors of the soil. कि फैक्टर्स ऑफ सॉइल फॉर्मेशन, की सॉइल को फॉर्म करने के लिए क्या क्या फैक्टर्स चाहिए होते हैं. द फर्स्ट फैक्टर विच आई टॉक्ड अबाउट इज द रिलीफ. रिलीफ इज द एलिवेशन, कि वेयर एग्जैक्टली द सॉइल इज लोकेटेड. द सेकेंड थिंग विच आई टॉट यू इज द पेरेंट रॉक. पेरेंट रॉक फैक्टर. व्हाट इज पेरेंट रॉक फैक्टर? द ओरिजिनल रॉक from which the soil is formed. The type of rock from which the soil is formed. The third thing I taught in the factor is the bedrock. What is bedrock? Bedrock is the hard, solid type of rock present in the soil. Fourth thing which I taught about in the factors is the vegetation, which includes the living organisms as well. The fifth thing, the fifth factor which I taught is the action of natural forces. In it I talked about the climate, the flow of the wind, the flow of the water and the glacier. Next we will talk about the action or activity of decomposers. Now what are decomposers? Let me explain you by writing कि what are actually the decomposers, so you can also copy the definition. So the decomposers: any fungi, bacteria or insect that feed or breaks the plant, material into smaller pieces or substances. Okay, and the first factor क्या था हमारा? relief. So all these are the factors which affects the formation of the soil, and this particular part is the definition of the decomposers, that how the decomposers help in the formation of the soil. And what are decomposers? Any fungi, bacteria or insect that feed or breaks the plant and animal material into small pieces or substances. So these were the factors. Now the last thing which I taught today is that कि जो ये सारे फैक्टर्स हैं वो कौन से फैक्टर्स ऑफ द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन को इफेक्ट करते हैं, मतलब सॉइल की ऐसी क्या क्या क्वालिटीज हैं जिसको ये अफेक्ट करते हैं. सो आप उसको नाम दे सकते हो क्वालिटीज ऑफ द सॉइल. क्या क्या क्वालिटीज ऑफ द सॉइल हमने पढ़ी? पहले हमने पढ़ी फॉर्मेशन. फॉर्मेशन किससे डिसाइड होता है? Formation is decided by the interaction between the parent rock, bedrock, topography, which is the physical features of any place, etc. Okay, first of all, this quality. Second quality is the age. Age is determined by the weathering process of rock. Okay. The next thing which we have talked about is the color. The fourth quality which we have talked about is the texture. Now what is texture? Texture tells that अगर इसमें sand है तो ये कैसी soil है, अगर इसमें silt है तो ये कैसी soil है, अगर ये clay है तो ये कैसी soil है. So all these are the factors. The next quality of the soil, the fifth quality of the soil after this is formation, age, color, texture, is the thickness. What is thickness? Thickness is the age of the top soil. कि कैसी top soil होगी उसी पे डिपेंड करता है soil का सारा quality. Okay, and all these also come under the chemical and the physical properties of the soil. So आप इसको qualities भी कह सकते हैं and the chemical and physical properties of soil भी कह सकते. So I think it is clear to you. एक फटाफट सा मैं आपको एक फ्लो चार्ट बना देती हूँ जिससे आपको और ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाए. Okay, in next class I will cover the different types of the soil in this video. So सबसे पहले फीचर्स डिस्कस करें, देन हमने फैक्टर्स डिस्कस करें, एंड लास्टली वी डिस्कस द क्वालिटी. I think the concept of soil is clear to you from this video. So please like and share and subscribe my channel.